Hello, this is Manish. I'll share my screen now. Today, I'm going to speak about a survey on open source data mining systems. Summary. First, the reference. Chan Y. Williams, GAX, XUL, a survey of open source data mining systems, 2007. Purpose. The major purpose of this article is to present an overview for mining the data. The various steps in mining data, as well as various open source data mining softwares, are the 12 various open source data mining softwares that are differentiated based on various factors, including general factors and data source accessibility. Research design source strategy. The goal of this article's research is to examine open source data mining software nowadays. Tiny and normal businesses such as are using this software majorly for all study and practical implementation, since it is easy to use, easy to buy, and simple to learn for the employees about how algorithms in data mining execute, while also helping employees in fine-tuning the programs as required. Analyze 12 open source data mining in this correction, depending on a lot of factors, also general traits, data accessibility, data capabilities, also usability, qualities in basic, compare how the OS and languages show how the software functions. Data source aspect. This allows us to determine which software is effective in giving access to data and set of data that it can function. Functionality demonstrates how the function is applied for many data mining tasks, including pre-processing data segmentation and identification, grouping and combining rules, assessment, and charts for data processing. Through this, we study how they function in different scenes, also human and robotic settings, how it can be extended and act as a builder for PMLL. Research discussion and conclusions. Research fact that the software is set with practically all operation systems. So the Mac and Windows is one of the numerous benefits. According to According to aforementioned research and assessment discussions, there are few drawbacks despite the fact that there are many benefits. This program's major drawback is there is only catered to small file formats. Conclusions. The key point from this paper is to explain how different mining software operate in different settings, to list the major problems with software and to display major future sections for development. Contribution. From this article, I learned about various open source data mining software programs, the mining method and usefulness, usability in comparison to various tiny and normal sized businesses. Critical analysis. Overall assessment. Yes, this article was understandable. The deal of the article is different to open source, various open source data mining software pros, cons, drawbacks, inserts in lots of comparison in lots of sections, also the major applications of this software in different organizations to build data mining. Research methodology. This research approach is extreme. It is easy to understand. The author sees these mining programs in brief, highlighting the pros for small and normal sized businesses, and also the drawbacks and sections for improvement. Future research. This software should be executed, hence that it can operate. Large quantities of information and nodes should be updated so it is modified for usage of various purposes. Knowledge drawn. From this article, I learned mining, data mining, and steps that have as well as different probe algorithms and its usage on small, normal-sized businesses. I learned the best algorithm for use in research and study schools. Also discovered Weka to be one of this. Questions to be discussed to gather more, how to gather more big data sets for the software, what procedures should be considered to execute this software more prominent. Thank you.